This is picoCTF 2026. Today we are going to work on our blockchain skills with the Reentrance challenge. We were recursing so hard it was actually breaking the server. The lead developer at Secure Bank is back and he's doubling down. After the last incident, he claims he patched the vault and created the ultimate unhackable Ethereum contract. So we will grab the contract, we will launch the instance so it has time to spin up. And let's take a look at the contract. It updates the value and then emits the deposit. And if you take a look at this, this is the critical section over here. It sends the Ether first and then updates the ledger. And so if we can create another contract that will call withdraw, it will get invoked here. So this will bounce back to here in our contract, and then again and again and again, and it will never reach deducting the amount until we are done with the calls, at which point the balance of the account is going to be 0, right? So address this is going to be 0, and then we are going to see our flag. And we do that by calling forge init. Let's call this attacker. Right, it's creating the folders for us. You will see the attacker folder. And in here, it has created a bunch of files and folders and whatnot. And so this is our exploit. Two things I would like to point out. So whenever the bank contract sends the money, it will trigger the receive method in our contract, and that will trigger another withdraw, which will repeat the cycle, and it will keep withdrawing money until there is none left. And so now with that contract in place, we want to compile it. So now let's deploy the attack. So forge create So RPC URL is this one over here. Our own private key is this one. And on the constructor arguments, we are passing this, and these are the arguments. So here we need to pass the address of the target that we want to exploit, and that would be the address of the bank. With the new private key because we restarted the instance. There we go. Excellent. So now our contract has been deployed on the network. Let's start the attack. Okay. So gas value is going to be, I don't know, 300,000. And now if we go back and check the flag, did we break the server? We were recursing so hard, it was actually breaking the server. Oh dear. Okay, we have to restart the instance. We've actually broken the previous one. This is the updated contract to prevent the server from crashing. I've created a boolean that gets initialized to false, and then we call withdraw when the money has been received. If it hasn't been executed, withdraw one more time. And so this is effectively limiting the recursion. So let's first deploy the contract. Excellent. Fingers crossed it doesn't break the server again. Woohoo! It did not break the server again. So let's check the bank balance using this. Okay, let's try and drain exactly that amount. Success. And if I'm not mistaken, that is our flag. We put the value from hex, and there we have the flag. And if we go here, we can also see the flag there. Put it here, submit the flag, and that was the challenge. Reentrance completed. If you've enjoyed this, make sure to hit that like button. If you'd like to get notified in the future whenever I post new solves, hit that subscribe button. In any case, I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.